Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy English speaking practice video. Today, let's go on a small journey together and learn English in a natural and fun way. Imagine this. One sunny morning, I woke up feeling fresh and ready to do something new. I looked outside my window and saw the sun shining brightly, the birds singing, and people already walking on the street. I said to myself, today, I will practice speaking English confidently. I got ready, took a deep breath, and decided to go for a walk to the nearby park. As I walked, I saw an old man sitting on a bench reading a newspaper. I smiled at him and said, "Good morning, sir." He smiled back and said, "Good morning. Have a nice day." That small moment gave me confidence to speak more. Then, I saw a small coffee shop near the park. I thought, why not have a cup of coffee? I walked in and greeted the barista. I said, "Hello, how are you today?" She smiled and said, "I'm good, thank you." "What would you like to order?" I replied slowly, "I would like 1 cup of cappuccino, please." She said, "Sure, anything else?" I said, "No, that's all, thank you." I paid for my coffee and waited. When my coffee came, I thanked her again and said, "It smells really good." She laughed and said, "Enjoy your drink." That short conversation made me feel happy and proud. I realized that speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. After finishing my coffee, I went to the park and sat under a big tree. I looked around and saw families, children, and people exercising. I listened carefully to their conversations. Some people were talking about their day, some about their work, and others about their weekend plans. I started repeating some of their sentences quietly to myself, like, "The weather is nice today," and "Let's go for a walk." It felt like I was shadowing real conversations. I was not just listening, I was learning. I was building my English naturally. Later, I met a young tourist who was also sitting near me. She looked a bit confused with her phone, so I asked, "Do you need any help?" She smiled and said, "Yes, please." "I'm looking for the train station," I said. "Oh, it's not far." "Go straight, then turn right at the traffic light. You'll see the station on your left." She said, "Thank you so much." I smiled and replied, "You're welcome. Have a great day." That small talk made me feel so confident because I used English in a real situation. After some time, I decided to walk home. On my way, I kept talking to myself in English. I described what I saw, like, "The sky is blue, the flowers are beautiful, and that car is really fast." I was speaking slowly and clearly, focusing on pronunciation and rhythm. The more I spoke, the easier it became. When I reached home, I looked in the mirror and said, "I am improving every day. I can speak better now than yesterday." That moment made me realize something important. English is not just a language. It's a skill that grows with daily use. From that day on, I made a promise to myself. Every morning, I would speak for at least 10 minutes in English. I would describe my day, my plans, and my dreams. Sometimes I would record my voice and listen again to find mistakes. Sometimes I would shadow English podcasts and repeat the words with them. At first, it felt a bit difficult, but slowly it became fun. My confidence grew, my pronunciation got better, and my mind started thinking in English naturally. Now, I speak with my friends in English more often. I watch English movies with subtitles. I learn new phrases every day like, "Can you please help me? That's really interesting," or "I totally agree with you." And you know what? It feels amazing, because the more I practice, the more natural it sounds. I don't worry about mistakes anymore. I just enjoy speaking, learning, and growing. So, if you're watching this video, I want you to remember one thing. Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking today. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak confidently. Every word you say will take you one step closer to fluency. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Every great speaker was once a beginner. You can do it too. Let's keep learning together. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am confident. I believe in myself. That's the spirit. If you liked this practice, don't stop here. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep growing. Your English will improve day by day, word by word. Believe me, you're doing amazing. Let's walk this English journey together, slowly, easily, and confidently.